That's really cute though.
It's cute because you're in it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm with Danae. She's my best friend. But today we are just checking out dorm stuff.
Well, I'm going to be getting a whole different comforter set because I just want a new one just to get a new one.
What?
You know. Oh, I go to Eastern University. It's in like King of Prussia or something.
I am gonna be starting my second year at Brown University and I am living in-house with my sorority.
Wait, you live with a bunch of sorority girls?
I'm a sorority girl now, yeah. We're moving
But you
in.
gotta live with them? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we have a house. We had the option
Oh
to move in.
no. No baby, that wouldn't be mean. I like to be alone.
Oh no, my camera's gonna fall. Okay, let's hope not. I'm going so slowly right now.
Look, he's like, ah! Oh, it fell back. I mean, just a little backwards. Well, hello there. It's like,
I am very much looking forward to seeing all of my friends again. And then starting up cheerleading, football. So fall is gonna be a fun season, I think.
we don't have a football team.
What?
No. I mean, we have a basketball team, well, of course, but like, all basketball games be lit though. Like,
okay. We're gonna catch you guys later. We are on our way to at home, and we will see you there.
y'all feeling this music?
That is
This
cute.
is what I want. This is what I'm looking for.
Okay, everything here is not all that cheap. I think we're in the clearance section, right?
Yeah, it's
Oh.
clear.
I'm living in here. I don't even know what I'm looking for. This is bad. How tall are you?
I'm like a good 4'10", 4'11". Up in the height shit. It was loud. Dude, 14 minutes? Okay.
Alright, that was so cute. Can I hang this up somewhere?
Yeah, you could. I think that's really yeah. That's really cute though.
It's cute because you're in it. I can't take her anywhere.
I work here.
Get off.
If anybody needs any service, my name is Danae.
Booty. Guys, they have Halloween stuff out already. I'm done. Alright, that was unlit. We're heading back home, but I will do a dorm haul whenever I get all of my stuff. I will catch you guys later. Bye. Alright, this is day 2 of dorm shopping. I am hoping to get more stuff tonight, but last night I went out to get a lot of stuff for my room. Right now we are hitting up Burlington, and then there is the campus shopping event at Bed Bath & Beyond. I am by myself today. Danae is not here. I miss her. I have a whole list created. I need a new mattress topper, bed sheets. I had a nosebleed in the middle of the night. I think towards the end of the year, and my white sheets got completely bloody. So I need new white sheets, velvet hangers, a rug. All right, y'all, I found a cute pillow set. It's gonna go on my futon in my room at home, not my college dorm yet. I found an area rug for my room at Burlington, and I got those 2 pillows, and now I am sitting in a parking lot at Bed Bath & Beyond, about to go to the campus event.
You're like, hey, we're about to go run. And then,
Hey y'all, we are back with another follow us around dorm shopping, but I'm with Danae again and Denisha. Hey,
Twin sister.
Yeah, so we're hitting up Target.
Are you going by yourself to like, or when you go back to school?
My parents are driving me up because, so I'm moving into the 4th floor of a building and there's no elevator.
Tell me why, from my child psychology class, I think we're raising a freaking child.
Should I have my headlights on yet? I'm a safe driver. All right, what's, oh no!
Yep.
That car just pulled in. This is so crooked.
That's how moms be. I can never freaking. What was that thing you got invited to?
He is in the Army and he's stationed in Georgia. And he asked me to go to his military ball.
Aww, that is so cute.
I came home and there were flowers there for me. Like, I had no idea they were coming.
Dang, he's the man. Okay, Alex.
I was not expecting flowers at all, yeah.
Romantic.
No, we're just friends.
Yeah.
Why do I always park crooked? Hang on, I'm fixing this.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Wait a minute.
for me. Why are turkey burgers on here? Pennzoil motor oil. Alright, I'm getting these for my storage cube. I have this cube from last year. Snack right there. I got my mason jars. I'm gonna put like overnight oatmeal in it since I do plan on working out super early in the mornings, and I might not, well, my early classes start at 9 a.m. so I might not have enough time to run to the dining halls. For those of you who are asking how I decorated my desk and my wardrobe last year, I got contact paper from Target. This is what it is. It was only $6 and it was super sticky, but that is what I used.
I want a waffle maker. But am I gonna use it? Cause you know I buy stuff and I don't use it.
Retweet. These are the pens that I use for my notes. I know you guys have been asking about it too. I normally use ultrafine since I write really tiny, especially for like cheat sheets. I stick to black to keep it simple, and then I color code according to topic and subtopic. I also use these flare pens for color coding my notes.
You do.
Yeah. So I don't think I'm going to buy that many notebooks this year because I've really started to like taking notes on OneNote, which is an app on my laptop. Oh no, I can't take her anywhere. All right, one piece of advice you have to incoming freshmen.
Try to make friends.
Try to make friends. Okay.
I'm not good at making friends. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. I don't be talking to nobody.
My piece of advice would be to take it easy on yourself. I mean, it's okay to fail. It's okay to like bomb an exam. I also highly recommend velvet hangers because they're super thin compared to regular hangers, and like your clothes don't slip off of them. I bought I think 3 packs of these last year, but I donated all of them because I couldn't fit it into any of the boxes. I might find them cheaper elsewhere though. I did not get anything from Home Goods. Now we're leaving, but she got like a Paris sign.
Love me some Paris.
Yeah, she's never been to Paris. Oh.
Oh my goodness, my bra just unbuttoned.
She is always leaving me.
I know, like where are you going?
I literally live in the snack section right now. A jar of peanut butter when I'm dorm shopping. So I did get that jar of peanut butter, and I found a blender bottle for like $4.50, so that was lit. And I got a thermos, or thermos, I don't know, for like $10. Headed to Ross. We're missing one person. She got it from Paris. Should I be in this lane if we're going to Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
Merge again. What do you want?
Can I get the 8-count meal?
Can I get an 8-count meal, please?
Have a drink?
What would you like? Sweet tea.
Sweet tea.
Okay. Anything else?
The same with the half and half.
Can I get the same with the half and half?
You want the egg count with the half and half?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Chick-fil-A sauce.
Anything else?
Can I get Chick-fil-A sauce with that?
Sure. Anything else? Anything else?
That's it, thank you.
Lisa, what time do you go to bed?
I have a non-existent sleep schedule. Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. We outie.
What you gonna eat?
I have no idea. Because if I work out at 10, I'm gonna be eating at like midnight. We're done. That was the end of our dorm shopping part, what, 3?
Yeah, what
Part
time?
4 tomorrow.
Just text me tomorrow.
All right, we will catch you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, my mom dragged me to the mall. Danae and I did not end up going to Sam's Club yesterday because we both like took a nap and we woke up an hour before Sam's Club closed, so that would have been like a lost cause. But Danae's working today, so I'm just going to go to Sam's Club with my mom. I'm at Boscov's and I found the velvet hangers, $5 for a pack of 20. This is a little bit cheaper than what I found at Marshall's and TJ Maxx, so I'm gonna get like 3 packs of these. I think I'm gonna get the gray ones or the black ones. I also got a tower fan because the girl is not about to die in a non-air conditioned room on the 4th floor. My mom just told me to go off with the cart and put whatever I wanted or whatever I need into the cart, and she would pay for it. So I'm very happy for that and thankful. I need a lot of the cleaning supplies and shelf-stable snacks. This is like my favorite flavor, the squeezed lemonade. They're like $2.50 each at Brown, and here I think a pack of 20 is only $15.48. Heck yeah. Someone explained to me what LaCroix is because I never got into that hype and I've never had one, but I don't even know what it is. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Here we go. Got some snacks. Essentials. I know I'm not supposed to eat gum with braces, but whatever. It is hot. Mama Nguyen on the YouTube. College shopping is almost done. I still have to get stuff from Amazon and stuff online. I have the bulk of it. This is gonna last me a while. Yeah, I've been all over the place all morning, but now it's time to eat because I'm so hungry. But thank you so much for following me around. I hope you guys enjoyed this follow me around dorm shopping vlog. It has been a marathon. I hope this gave you guys some ideas of what you might need for college. It's not comprehensive though because I left a lot of my stuff from last year up in storage. Alright, peace out. See you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe below, leave a comment, give it a big thumbs up. See ya.